Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of Noob to Pro. Very highly anticipated. You guys killed it in the last one, over 1,000 views. I know it's crazy to sound that it's only like not even our 10th video, but don't forget to like, smash that subscribe button, and let's keep it going if you want part 3. So today we're gonna break down exactly what stocks he's gonna look at. Not only that, but come up with a plan with a set alerts, best indicators, and actually fund his account, the biggest part. So all that and more coming right up. Okay, jumping right into his account. First, we're going to fund it on the TD app, and then we'll be right back. Okay, now you can see we funded his account with $3,000. And first, Colby, why don't you talk about why you felt comfortable enough to start with $3,000, how you got the money, and why we decided to choose a margin account over a cash account.
All right. So I saved up this money. I saved up from worked for my parents' job, etc. over the summers. I felt 3,000 was a comfortable amount for me to get started in this. I know that through what Jason has told me that if I put 3,000 in, I could have a leverage of about 9,000 to invest in.
Yep.
And I chose a margin account because I wanted to day trade if I am in a good position where I feel, oh, I'm up this day, and I don't want to wait it out like a swing trade or something like that. I could pull out and be up that day.
So going off what Colby said, the reason why we chose margin, like he said, was he wants to be able to leverage. TD is special because once you have over 3,000 in your account, you actually can have a 3-to-1 leverage, and once you get over 25,000, you can have a 4-to-1 leverage. So being able to actually invest 3,000 instead of 2,000, you now have a 3-to-1 leverage over a 2-to-1 leverage, if that kind of makes sense. If that doesn't make sense, comment down below and we'll make a whole different video on just describing leverage alone. So now that Colby has 3,000 with a 3-to-1 leverage, he now can, like he said, leverage over 9 grand and start to scale up and build bigger positions. So now he only has to make a 30% gain on his leverage position to make a 100% gain on his principal. So hypothetically, if Colby were to invest all 9,000 in one stock, it goes up 30%. Off his principal $3,000 amount, he actually would have now 6,000 in his account, just his alone, and then being able to 3 times leverage that, is 18,000. So we should keep that in mind. If you're more into swing trading, definitely margin accounts and leveraging, A, can be risky because now you're investing with not even your own money, but B, you can now scale up and build bigger positions. Cash accounts. So why are cash accounts good? We'll talk about more in depth in the course of what one is best for you. Cash accounts are mainly just for day trading, not really swing trading. But if you want to know more of that, make sure to click the link below and we'll have the course drop in just about 2 months' time. So stay tuned for that. Now that we have this account funded, we're going to break down the stocks and actually create a plan. So that means Reese helping him set up alerts. We actually have the indicators, as you can see now. We're not going to really dive deep into the indicators we use, as that is a special just for team members. But if you do have more questions on some certain indicators, again, comment down below and we'll make a video about it. So breaking down the first few stocks, Colby, while we're at it, it's worth talking about the overall market. So this is the NASDAQ, heavy on tech, but as you can see, it had a not so good day today. It fell from almost 1,200 points down to 1,100 points. That's a big drop. I think it was like a 3%, 3.5% drop in just one day. So definitely wasn't good for most investors unless you're investing in the right thing. So a quick recap of our day. We invested in the team SQQ, meaning when the market actually goes down, this stock goes up. So we made just about over 10% and locked in just shy of $3,000 profit today. Super happy with the day and how the team made out today. But this isn't about the team, it's about Colby. So let's stick to kind of Colby. What are you looking for? First one, what on your list is kind of like your number one that you really have your eyes on?
As of right now, I'm not going to invest in any stocks per se. What I've heard from general investors and the team is election's really going to make the market weird. It's going to be a bearish,
kind of unsettled time.
Unsettled time. So I'm going to wait till post-election to really get into my stock and invest in what I see potential in.
Yeah, so going off again what Colby said, if there's a really good opportunity, we might actually kind of start to scale up his position. We're thinking on maybe SQs because we do believe that the market could dip lower. So going off of that, we're actually going to go off camera real quick, teach him some of the strategies, some other stuff. When we get back, Reese is actually going to help us set alerts, learn how to buy, learn how to sell. And then hopefully by next video, you'll actually see some profits in Colby entering a few positions.
Alright, so Jason Reese just went over the basics and fundamentals of swing trading, how to buy and sell, etc. Reese is now going to go over my alerts and help me set those up.
Alright, so yeah, alerts are one of the most important tools on the Thinkorswim platform. And why is that? It's so you are notified when the stock hits a certain price point without having to check your phone 24/7, looking at it, seeing how it's doing when it's going up and down. And so yeah, let's get into it. So to create alert, you have to right click, create alert, and now at or above, and then you set your price point. Now here with Datadog, we can see that it currently is on a little downtrend, and we want to wait for confirmation, and I say a good confirmation point is at about $105.
Okay.
So we're going to create the alert right there, and now he will be notified when Datadog hits that point, if it will. And also we could create an alert for if it keeps going down and dipping, which could also notify us for a good time to buy in. And we're going to create one for, we'll say $95. But for the lower alerts, we want to make it at or below. Alright, so it never hurts to add an alert to the stocks on your watch list, as it makes it much more convenient to yourself, as you don't have to be looking on your phone to see when you want to enter at your goal price point.
So now that Reese helped Colby set his alerts, he's now going to follow up on these stocks, especially Datadog is one that we all picked out that we really like, and it follows the simplest swing trading strategy that we know as a team. But now that he has to actually take action, and we all know that that's the most important part. So over the next few weeks, especially post-election is what we're looking at, for him to actually take action on his first stock, buy in, set his risk management, his desired price point, and then by part 3, we'll actually follow up and see how he's doing on just his first 2 weeks of learning our swing trading strategy. So if you guys would like to know more, follow along with him. Don't forget to keep yourself accountable as well as him, to follow along strategically. Like Reese said, set your alerts, the same indicators we use. And if you'd like to know more on our strategy, again, the course will be dropping in just about 2 months, so stay tuned for that. As we close out this video, guys, don't forget to stay focused, stay motivated, and commit to your goals relentlessly, as we're all striving towards financial freedom.
I hope you enjoyed part 2. Stay tuned for part 3 coming up soon. And hit that subscribe and like button. That's that.
That's good.
Subscribe and like button.
Deuces.
Deuces. Can you guys do that?
Good energy.
No, you suck in.
Oh, that hurts.
If you're no. Talking too fast, thinking too fast. Alright.
Yo, chill.
Alright, here we go. Alright, I hope you like part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. It'll be coming up soon. Make sure you hit that like button and drop that subscribe button. No, what is that? What is that? What even is that?
Drop it. Drop a like and hit that subscribe button.
Drop a like, hit the subscribe.
Hit the like and subscribe button.
Hit, yeah. And.
Like and.
That's good, that's good. Alright. Oh, whoa!